Oh dear. What is this? What is this thing? Oh, it's my fridge. Oh dear. That's a lot of yucky stuff, huh? Guess what? You need to clean your vents in your fridge, behind your fridge, so they can run more efficiently. This is insane. Okay, look. This is the dust mitt that I used yesterday on the screens. All I did was rub it under hot water and scrub it on itself. I didn't even wash it. It's not bad. Oh dear. All right, let's see what this is gonna do. Take your dust mitt. Okay, oops. You can rub it on itself, okay? And then swipe. Pretty satisfying, huh? This fridge is going to run more efficiently now that it can actually breathe. Tell me, what does the back of yours look like? When's the last time you've cleaned your vent? All right, let's finish this up.